Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Krnl Executor on Roblox mobile. Krnl Executor is a popular and robust tool designed to let you run custom scripts within your Roblox games. Traditionally known for PC, it has now expanded its compatibility to include both iOS and Android mobile devices, offering a new way to customize your gameplay experience directly from your phone or tablet. To begin, you will need to uninstall the standard Roblox application from your mobile device. Following this, you must download the specialized Krnl mobile installer file, which will be an APK for Android users or an IPA for those on iOS. If you are using an Apple device, remember to adjust your settings by turning on background app refresh and switching off low power mode. Finally, proceed with installing the downloaded Krnl file, which might involve trusting a new developer profile on your device. Once Krnl is successfully installed, open the application on your phone or tablet. A significant advantage of current Krnl mobile versions is that many are now keyless, meaning you can bypass the previous key verification process. Within the user-friendly interface, you can easily paste your chosen Lua scripts. With a simple tap, these scripts will execute, allowing you to modify gameplay, automate various tasks, or even unlock new features within your favorite Roblox games. It is crucial to understand that using third-party executors like Krnl goes against Roblox's official terms of service. Engaging in such activities can result in severe penalties, including temporary account suspensions or even permanent bans from the platform. Furthermore, obtaining these files from unofficial sources introduces significant security risks, such as potential malware infections or the theft of your personal data. Always proceed with extreme caution and be fully aware of these potential consequences.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.